Hello and welcome to my channel. In this video we are going to solve a question from indefinite integrals. Integrate 2 square root of x minus 3 over x square dx, giving your answer in simplest form. Now we call this integration as indefinite integral because the lower limit and upper limit of the integration is not mentioned. So this belongs to indefinite integrals. So in the first step we have written the given expression in this format. That is, we have distributed the denominator to the numerator terms independently. So we get 2 square root of x over x square minus 3 over x square dx. Now let us simplify this expression further. So here we have written integration of 2 times. Now square root of x can be written as a fractional power, that is x to the power of 1 over 2 over x square minus 3 over x square dx. Now in the next step, we have used the laws of indices, that is 2 times, now x to the power of 1 over 2 and x square, here the bases are same and there is division between these two. So we are going to use the quotient law of indices, giving us x to the power of 1 over 2 minus 2, that is the powers will get subtracted, minus 3 times, now taking this x square to the numerator, we get x to the power of, now this power in the denominator was positive, so when we take it to the numerator it becomes negative, giving us x to the power of negative 2 dx. Now let us integrate the terms independently. Integration of 2 times x to the power of, now 1 over 2 minus 2 gives us minus 3 over 2 dx. So we have expanded this integration, minus integration of 3 times x to the power of minus 2 dx. Now to integrate these two terms, we are going to make use of power rule of integration, which is given as integration of k times x to the power of n dx. So here k represents the constant, which is 2 and 3 from these two terms, x to the power of n, where n represents the power of x, dx is equal to, now according to this rule, the constant is written as it is, times x to the power of, now the power of x increases by 1, giving us n plus 1, divided by the same power, that is n plus 1. And since this is an indefinite integral, we have to add constant of integration, that is plus c. So using this formula we get, for the first term, since 2 is a constant, we get 2 times x to the power of, now the power of x increases by 1, giving us minus 3 over 2 plus 1, divided by, now the same power comes to the denominator, minus, now 3 is a constant here, so 3 times x to the power of, now the power of x increases by 1, giving us minus 2 plus 1, over the same power comes to the denominator, plus constant of integration. So when we remove the sign of integration for indefinite integrals, we have to add this c. Now simplifying this further, we get 2 times x to the power of minus 3 over 2 plus 1 gives us minus 1 over 2, divided by minus 3 over 2 plus 1 gives us minus 1 over 2, minus 3 times x to the power of minus 2 plus 1 gives us minus 1 over minus 1 plus c. Now here 2 divided by minus 1 over 2, it gives us minus 4 times x to the power of minus 1 over 2. Now minus of minus gives us plus 3 times x to the power of negative 1 plus constant of integration. So we cannot simplify this further. So this is the answer in its simplest form. So this is the answer for the given integral. I hope you have understood all the steps and liked the video. And if you found this video useful, then check out this playlist where you'll find more examples of this kind. And if you're liking my videos, like, share and subscribe to my channel. And thank you for watching.